I'm going to show y'all how to make guacamole. So I've got 2 tomatoes, a large onion, 2 avocados. Normally I would use lime, but I don't have any lime. I have an orange and some lemon juice, just some type of citrus, and then a big bunch of cilantro. You can add more onion, you can add more tomato, you can add more avocado. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. I also have a small jalapeno I'm going to throw in there. And then we're going to salt and pepper to taste. You kind of want it to be more on the salty side, but a lot of that is just preference. A good sharp knife, a knife sharpener. Let's get to it. A little tip on guacamole, there's a little piece of the stem that will fall out. Make sure you don't get that in your guacamole. Normally to peel a avocado, my preference is to cut it in half and then cut it into quarters or thirds. And then you can just peel off the avocado. And you don't have to scoop it. And look how clean that is. There's no avocado left. But your avocados have to be ripe. If your avocados aren't ripe, it's no good. So you want your avocados to be dark and you want them to be soft when you press on them.
Not too soft, that's overly ripe.
Yeah, if they're real soft like a rotten tomato, they're no good. You've got a real sharp knife. You don't want to be playing around with slick hands. If you don't have a sharp knife, you don't need to be in the kitchen. It's a recipe for disaster. We're going to seed a jalapeno so it's not scalding hot. My Uncle Jose, he would chastise me for seeding this jalapeno probably, but my wife doesn't like hot stuff. The campfire cooking lady don't like hot stuff. Now we're going to wash this pepper juice off so the fingers don't burn. And again, if you quarter your onion, it makes it easier to peel. Before we add the other onion, we're gonna mix it all up, make sure it's not too oniony. I'm going to add half of that orange and a little splash of lemon juice. This is a specialized potato smasher. It's just right. Add a little more salt. I would probably say add one more avocado to that too this past week. Good stuff.